Yeah.
In my second church home. Not many people can say they were simultaneously grew up in two church homes. But I thank God for that because of my precious mother, Elizabeth Ball K. Webb, who is now sleeping in the arms of God. I thank her for allowing me and matriculating me through such a wonderful church home where I had the awesome experience of growing up and hearing and listening to Dr. V.E. Washington. And I had other souls and saints that helped mold me, like Mr. A.J. Keynes over Lakeland and Lloyd Lewis, and hallelujah, when I would come for Women's Day and people like Sister Mary Ellen Fontner would sing into praise. I thank God because it's just a double blessing. To this 60th day, Women's Day chorus. Thank you for letting God use you. Before I always speak, I make a disclaimer in that I'm a youth director and I like to be around you. Actually, we're just getting back from 5 days, 16 hours, 22 minutes, and 10 seconds of interacting with my youth at our state convention. So I might slip into ebonics. I just want to have you have full disclosure so you don't get upset if I don't use a modifier or wrong pronoun or adjective that you didn't like. Like my youth would say, hashtag keeping it 100. Your theme today, Women of